Welcome, dear students, to my new series, that is tense. We all know tense is a problem for most of the students as the concept of the tense is not clear and the problem persists during their whole academic life. Student, of course, the tense is very important. Oh, this is the base of the English language. If you want to speak the correct English, you should know the clear concept of the tense. I have tried the same in this class to clarify you in a very easy and interesting way what are tenses. I have given the usage also along with the example and the structure also of the different types of forms of the tenses. Before telling you what is tense, students, I just want to talk about the verb. Do you know what is verb? Verb means doing actions. Whenever we do any action, that is called verb. Right now, which action I am doing? I am teaching you. Teach is the verb here. Which action you are doing? You are learning. Learn is also a verb. No. If you are watching video, watch. That is also an action and watch is a verb. So, what is verb? Verb means doing actions. Now, what is tense? So, tenses are tools that are used to express time. Tense is a form of verb that expresses time of action. The action can take place at the present time also, in the past also, in the future also. Okay, you can do the action at any time. No, we all are indulged in doing actions, whether in the present or we just can think the action which we had done in the past, or we can plan what action we are about to do in our future. So the tense is a form of verb that expresses the time of action. It not only tells the time of action, but it also refers to our state of any action also. Have you got? The tenses are tools that are used to express time, and they not only refer to the time, but they also tell the state of an action also. State means whenever we are not indulged in any action. Suppose I say, I think he is right. So think means that is my state of mind that I am thinking. Okay, so such type of verbs are also called non-action verbs. Verbs of senses, verbs of feelings and emotions. No, verbs of senses, for example, hear, see. Verbs of feelings and emotions like love, respect, they all express the state. So tense also tells the time of action, as well as it also states the it also refer to the state of an action also. Okay, so what is tense? Tense means form of verb that expresses time of any action, whether it is action whether action has taken place at present, past or future. Okay, now I am following the traditional grammarian, students. I am telling you that there are some modern grammarians who believe that there is no future tense in English to express future time. According to them, we use modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? Like shall and will. We use modal auxiliaries shall and will with the present tense to express future time. According to them, there is no future tense, but we are following the traditional grammarians. Means I will be telling you here in this class the future tense also. According to the traditional grammarians, according to them, there are three tenses: present, past and future. Present means which refers to present time, past refers to past time and future refers to future time. And they all refer to the time of action and also refer the state of an action. So this is what tenses are. Now there are four forms of principal tense. What do you understand by principal tense? Principal tense means principal tense can be present also, can be past also, can be future also. There are three kinds of tenses. So those three kinds are principal tense. And whatever principal tense you are taking, whatever principal tense you are about to read, about to study, in all the principal tense there will be four forms. Those four forms are in this way: simple, it is also called indefinite. It states an action or event. It means that whether it is present, simple present, whether it is simple past or simple future, it only states an action or any event. It does not say anything about the completeness of the action. Only states that this action has been taken place. This action has been done. Okay, so simple or indefinite tells it states an action, merely only states an action or event. Next one is continuous. An action is in progress and is incomplete. So continuous, it indicates that an action is in progress and it is incomplete, means whatever action it is telling, it is still going on at a given time and is incomplete at the point of reference. Okay, continuous means action is going on, it is in progress and your action has not completed. That time you will be using continuous. Next one is perfect. Perfect, it indicates that the action is complete. The last one, fourth, is perfect continuous. Perfect continuous indicates that an action is in progress for a period of time. Okay, in perfect continuous also the action is in progress, but the time is also given there, since or for. Have you got? So there are four forms of principal tense. Principal means, I have told you earlier, it can be present, past or future. So there are a total of 12 tense forms. Clear? Student, I will be explaining you each and every tense along with its usage and examples. Now, I am just showing you the table of all the 12 tenses. Present tense, simple indefinite, then continuous, it is also called progressive. Next one is perfect and next form is perfect continuous. So I have given the example also. You can see the present one is I go for a walk. Continuous, I am going for a walk. Perfect, I have gone for a walk. Perfect continuous, I have been going for a walk. Here you can add the time also. I have been going for a walk since Monday. Okay, so that is your perfect continuous. In the same way, in the past also you can see there are four forms: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In the future also. So this is just an introduction, just to introduce you all the 12 tenses. But I will be giving you in detail about all these 12 tenses in my next class. Okay students, I hope you have understood and the video will be continued. Goodbye students. Take care.